Virgil Abloh once claimed few visuals beat a bright white swoosh on black, a philosophy seen in the 10 and collabs like the Air Force One, Presto, and Blazer. That formula returns with the Nike Dunk Low Black and White Swoosh, a timeless, versatile release. The sneaker's all-black leather upper, smooth overlays, tonal laces, liner, and midsoles create a sleek, understated base. Cutting through the darkness, a crisp white leather swoosh delivers sharp contrast, echoed by white hits on the tongue tag and insole branding for a balanced finish. Minimal yet impactful, this colorway complements almost any style. Dropping soon via Nike.com and select retailers, it carries Abloh's celebrated high-contrast aesthetic into an accessible mainline model, proving great design doesn't need excess detail. By honoring a principle that's become a sneaker classic, the black and white swoosh ensures enduring appeal for both everyday wearers and collectors alike.